All right, hello again. It's Miss Michelle. Just going to show you what the Blockly puzzles, how I monitor to them on my end. So this is what it looks like when you go in. You see your puzzles, you see where you are, but how do I know what you're doing? Well, I have this wonderful thing called the portal, and I can see every single class. Notice here, just looking at 401, that nobody has anything checked off just yet. However, if I scroll down to the bottom, and I move along the puzzles, you can see, there's more puzzles after Dash the Snowman. They're just not unlocked yet. As you start filling in the puzzles, here we'll go to the sample classroom. This is just me playing around. And you can see where I've played around with different puzzles under different fake avatars and even my own name. So as the puzzles start getting completed or even attempted, but not completed, I can see where you stopped. See, oh, so here we have driving school number 3. Looks like this one was started, however, not completed, but I only spent less than a minute on it. So this is where I could help you out. Or if you have completed it, I can see also how long you spent on it, what solution you presented, and what is a suggested solution. As the puzzles get more complicated, you'll have more than one possible solution. So we're going to work at the puzzles at your own pace. You are able to go up to Dash the Snowman, and then after that we'll talk about what happens then. All right, good luck.